8 minus 6 times 8 divided by 4. 8 minus 6 and 8 divided by 4. First of all, we will solve. It will be equal to 2. And 8 minus 6, it will also equal to 2. So 2 times 2 will be equal to 4, which will be answer. But all this is incorrect. So I will solve it again by obeying some rule, because according to thus, first of all, we have to solve parenthesis. Here is parenthesis. Okay, so 8 divided by 4 will be solved. First, 8 divided by 4, it will be equal to 2. And 8 and 6 will be as it is. And minus 6 will be as it is. And here, we will put multiplication sign. No, first of all, if you look at 8 minus 6, it will be equal to 2 times 2. But from here, we again solved it incorrectly because 8 minus 6, here it is minus and here it is multiplication. So first of all, according to PEMDAS, we had to multiply first, mean it was 8 minus 6 times 2. But we have solved 8 minus 6 earlier than multiplication. But according to order of operation, we have to solve multiplication first. So we will get 8 minus 6 times 12 will be equal to 6 times 2 will be equal to 12. So 8 minus 12 will be equal to minus 4. In the above case, first case, we have solved incorrectly, so answer was 4. But by order of operation, we got answer minus 4, which is correct answer. Thank you for your support and watching my videos.